which means every single person or every single student who applied actually got accepted. And just to mention, it was my first internship this year. And currently, I'll be doing my third internship this year with no efforts actually, and got conclusively 3 internships back to back in the span of 3 months without much effort. Hi, if you're a law student actively looking for an internship but is literally struggling with an empty CV, I've got you guys covered. I'm dying out with pain. Oh god. Anyways, let's get into the main part of the video. Now we'll be moving from how you can get the most achievable internship, that is, the internships with almost 100% acceptance rate, which means you'll apply and you'll get it. It's that simple. These will help build your CV, and then we'll move on to the complex ones, that is actually landing an internship very easily under any advocate you want. Now the first internship, which has almost 100% of acceptance rate, is Just Corpus. I applied to Just Corpus in the month of May with almost no hope because a lot of children had already saw that post on LinkedIn, Instagram and everywhere, and I thought that a lot of people have applied, they may choose the best ones for themselves and then we may continue. But I was wrong. The internship got confirmed. I joined the group which was supposed to be joined after my internship got accepted, and just to mention, it was my first internship this year. And currently I'll be doing my third internship this year with no efforts actually. Coming to Just Corpus, I applied and there were around 527 members in that group, which means every single person or every single student who applied actually got accepted. Here I am putting a screenshot just to show you guys how easily you can get this internship. The work assigned is also very simple and also help you build your CV more, because you'll be publishing a lot of things, or maybe 2 to 3 blogs at least, when you are doing this internship. Coming to the next internship is again very easily accepted internship. It is at Nyaya Shastra. This month itself I completed this internship and have been allotted with my certificate already. I just finished this internship and this was the most simplest internship with hardly 3 assignments, and the rest of the work is simply to attend a few webinars if you want, because they are also very good. And it also helped me build my LinkedIn profile because I was doing the second internship in the second month itself. The third internship, which you'll get almost again like a cakewalk, is Nyaya Sarthak. I have seen many students on LinkedIn mentioning that they have interned with Nyaya Sarthak under the Supreme Court of India. Nyaya Sarthak under the Supreme Court of India. And I used to wonder, are these students exceptional? But then I figured out the acceptance rate is very high, which makes it more simple for you to just apply and done. Fun fact, I just applied to the Nyaya Sarthak internship through a Google form, which is common for almost any internship which is on a very high level. So these 3 internships, Just Corpus, Nyaya Shastra and Nyaya Sarthak. If you apply to these 3 internships, I can write and give you, you will definitely land into these internships and it will help you build your CV, along with a very good section to add in your CV of publications as well. And yet to mention, these internships are virtual internships and not physical internships, yet because of the power they hold, because of the reputation they hold online due to their platforms established, they are a very reputed internships and will definitely put an impact on your CV. Now, if you have done any of these internships, definitely a section of internship will be added to your CV. This means your CV will not look like you have done nothing in your first or second year of law school. It will look like, yes, you have done something. This is why you're sitting here. Coming to what to do next. Now I'll be sharing few very practical and actionable things that I did myself, and I have landed in an internship under the Supreme Court of India, which I will be joining in July, because currently the holidays of all the courts are going on, so I cannot join right now. And I'll definitely update it on my channel through shorts or through any post, because I'm joining that internship, and I'll let you know how I exactly landed on that internship and how easy it was to grab that internship. And the platform I used to get that internship was LinkedIn. LinkedIn has almost every other advocate registered. Mostly the advocates who are working religiously with their careers have a LinkedIn account. You can directly search ADV and a lot of suggestions will appear. You can type senior advocate and a lot of suggestions will appear. You can type advocate on record and a lot of suggestions will appear. Now, you may just simply keep on scrolling, check their profiles, and almost every other advocate has their emails mentioned in their LinkedIn profiles as well. So you have their email. you may email them directly, you may message them on LinkedIn directly. So the best thing about LinkedIn is you can just connect with them and then directly message them. Majorly depends on whether they will actually accept your message or not. They generally do read, but there are not very high chances of reply from them. But here's a pro tip I'd share, which I use religiously as well, is to message at least 20 to 30 people in the span of a week, and you will definitely get reply from your desired advocates. Actually, messaging a lot of people is necessary. You cannot expect to message 3 to 4 good advocates and expect a reply from them. And yeah, that's how I have got my internships as well, under a very good advocate. Another two platforms that you can use to actually find a good internship under any good reputed law firm or advocate is to actually keep checking Law Octopus and Law Bhumi. Now, Law Bhumi has its own app which keeps updating about very good government internships like NHRC, CBI, and many other government internships that students may do. So that is what Law Bhumi is practical for, and the same work is done by Law Octopus as well. I will suggest you to join the broadcast channel of Law Octopus. You may also join broadcast channel of Just Corpus as well, because they both do the same thing. Whatever new internships are coming, they just put it on their broadcast channel with a direct link to apply. That is also how I landed my internship under Nyaya Sarthak. Excuse it, please. These two are very essential if you're looking for specifically for government internships. In fact, internships like under the NALSA are posted here at the earliest stage. So there is no risk taking at all, and you may land in any internship you want. Now coming to the last part, and a very good pro tip that I have, not just I but many of my colleagues have used as well, is to contact and keep in touch with your seniors who are doing an internship, or obviously your seniors have done internships before. So if you keep talking to your seniors, asking them about your their best internships experiences, where you can intern, where they have interned, you may just get to experience a lot in different fields. If you're interested into corporate, you can go to corporate. If you're interested in law firms, you may go to law firms. If you're interested that no, I'll have to do litigation and stuff, you just go into litigation, and there are many advocates out there who will offer you internships. If you guys want to join the broadcast channels, I'll put down the link below. You may join them. And if this video has helped you until now and you're hooked until now, thank you guys so much. And I may just come up with next few legal tips if you guys want. But yeah, these were a few that I thought that I should share, because when I was struggling, no one was there to actually tell me ki kya kare. But when I actually did something myself, I realized that this is the stepping stone of how do you do it. Because if I do it, then a lot of people can do it the same way, because it's very easy. It's just that nobody tells you how to do it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching Gavel Hub. I am literally sitting, no pankha zone, so that there is no background voice. It's currently 1 a.m. at night, and I'm shooting this because this is the month of June, and I'm sitting with a blazer on, with a little bit of makeup on as well. So I have done a lot of effort to make this video. Make sure you please like this video, and because it will definitely give me a lot of motivation to continue and bring out what is helping me to you guys, so that it helps you as well. Bye bye.